Hey guys, so this is a before video of my car. We're making this video because tomorrow I'm taking my car down to LA to go get custom dipped. I'm not telling you guys what color I'm doing. Well, colors I should say. Some of my friends already know what it's going to look like, but seeing it on the car I think is totally different than just seeing pictures. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Okay guys, so now we're on our way to go pick up my car. I know I said I was going to post the video on Thursday, but it got done way sooner than expected. So now we are driving there. We're going to Hollywood. And we should be there in about an hour. He sent me some pictures of the car. It looks really good. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. We're gonna film when we get there. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh my gosh. We are 3 minutes away from the shop where I'm picking up my car. We're so close. I'm so excited.
We are 1 minute away. Or 1 mile. 1 mile.
We're 1 mile away in 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
I'm so excited. This got done so much sooner than I expected. I dropped it off yesterday at 8 o'clock in the morning because I was headed to Newport anyway. And he texted me some pictures, and then he texted me around 2 o'clock and he said that it was ready to go. And so we bolted down here as soon as we could. And we left at like 3, and now we are 0.8 miles away. Oh my god. It's so crazy. Okay guys, we just got here. Oh my god. Okay, so. Oh my god. I don't even know if this is picking up on camera. Holy crap. Oh my god. Justin, what do you think? Oh my god. It looks insane. Got the blacked out movie. Blacked out pony. GT. Okay, I will update you guys a little later, some driving shots and some better footage. Okay, so we just stopped at a good old In-N-Out, but here is a better shot of the car. There's not much light, but you can definitely see it better. It goes from gold, blue. You can kind of see the red, some gold. It just depends where you're standing on the car. They did a really good job. Coming closer. Some blue. Some gold. They covered up my 5.0 badges, but it's okay. We'll fix that later when we get home. But they did my GT emblem black, which I asked for. Looks really good. They put extra pearls, which is kind of hard to see on camera, but I did the ZTX pearls. I believe that's the right one, but I'll double check. I got it done in LA. I will link them and their Instagram when I post the video on my Instagram. I'll link them and I'll tag them. They did really good work. paid a little bit more for what I got done, but it was what I wanted and it was totally worth every penny. I took it in on a Friday morning and I got it back today, so it's literally less than 2 days. So, but yeah, Justin over there trying to figure out how to maybe get that off the 5.0 badge. But it looks so good. Everybody in Bakersfield is definitely gonna know that this is my car, which is what I wanted. It's unique. It looks so good. So we're gonna probably post a little bit more about it when we get home, but I plan on editing this one tonight and having it up tonight probably as well. I'm gonna take some pictures, post some pictures. My car before was white, as you guys will probably see in the beginning. But yeah, other than that, if you guys have any questions, I'll link my Instagram in the description. I'll link Justin's Instagram in the description. If you have any questions about anything on my car, feel free to ask. But yeah, we're gonna go get some In-N-Out, California's finest, and we'll have this edited. Justin, how does it look?
Good.
You happy with it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, alright, with that, we are gonna go eat. Thanks, guys.